Attention traders, this is the Hecla Mining Company with a 502% return setup. By entering around the current notation at $24.54, placing the stop loss underneath the last day's lows here at $22.30, and staying long until this $35.78. You will get a 5x return from the money at risk here. This is a high probability setup in this mining company. But before we dive deep into this setup, please leave me a thumbs up and share this content far and wide. You would help my channel very much by doing this. Back to the Hecla Mining Company. Let's remove all the drawings here and zoom a bit out. I switch to the weekly time frame and apply the line chart to this. And you are seeing that after the IPO, we did our high point here. And I use this all-time high for a Fibonacci retracement from 0 on. This gives us the investors perspective. Let's switch back to the daily chart. And you are seeing perfectly that, well, since last year in August, the stock was running sideways, but then really spiked upwards in this bullish move. We are supported by all these moving averages, and they are perfectly bullishly aligned. We have pulled back from the high point of this bullish move and corrected sideways. I would see this as a very, very bullish sign. So I don't expect that we further drop down. Let's switch back to the candlesticks. And you are seeing that was the last candle's high point or closing price. We have surpassed these highs of this correction. So I would enter somewhere around the current price level, place my stop loss underneath these last days moving averages, and I would trade long. I would stay long until the next Fibonacci retracement level from the weekly time frame, because they work normally quite well. And this is our setup in this stock. Fundamentally, I'm expecting that all these commodity-related stocks, like mining companies, will further rise, like the commodities as well. So especially the precious metals like gold and silver. Looking on the seasonal patterns here from the last 12 years, or in January and February, 13 years. So almost January and February are neutral or slightly negative, but in May we got also this neutral setting. But if you are looking on the last 4 years, they were quite positive. So according to the current economic situation, I would see this trend as continuing in this March. And as well in April, you have with 7 bullish months and 4 bearish months, also a slight bullish period. So for March and April, I'm rather bullish. And of course, you can stay therefore also for a longer period long. So if I extend it till the end of April, then I would expect that we could reach perhaps also the next Fibonacci level here, which might give us 1019% in return. That's all about the Hecla Mining Company. If you find these kind of setups helpful, consider subscribing to my channel. Furthermore, I have opened up my trading community on Patreon. You can find the link to the Patreon trading community in the description down below. And you can join it for free. I will post there setups like this and also setups which I don't post on YouTube. So join my Patreon trading community for free. See you all on Patreon, and I wish you good trades, good luck, and until next time, okay.